Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can block someone on Facebook. So all you have to do is go to your Facebook account and tap on the search icon on the upper right. And then here you can search the name of the person that you want to block. For example, I'm just gonna go to my old account. And as you can see, we're friends. So you have to make sure that you're friends for you to block them first. So what you want to do next is tap on the three dots on the right. Scroll down a bit, and as you can see, here's the word block. Just tap on that. And here it says, if you want to block the person, then the person will no longer be able to see your posts, tag you, invite you to events or groups, start a conversation with you, and add you as a friend. So if you're settled, then just tap on block. And when you refresh the page, as you can see, it says this content is not available because you blocked your friend. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.